How to create an ILN domain. Learn how to have ILN run on your own website URL using your custom branding. Step 1. Select the dashboard menu in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Add Component. Step 3. Here you will see a list of ILN's component, which are widgets you can add to your dashboard. Select My Domains, or use the search icon on the top to filter the list. Step 4. You will now see the My Domains component added to your dashboard. Step 5. You'll now be on the new ILN domain page, where you can share your business name and provide a short description, which is optional. Step 6. Once you have shared the information as shown in the image, select Next. Step 7. On this screen, you can choose a theme from the various options available by swiping right. Once you've selected the theme, click Next. Step 8. Select Custom Domain, and after that, input your domain. If the domain name is not available, a message will pop up. As you scroll down, you'll find options to choose your plan. Once you have selected a plan of your choice, you can make the payment and avail the benefits of having ILN run on your own website URL using your custom branding.